Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will going to discuss about the estimation for software projects. In software development, the effort estimation is the process of predicting the most realistic amount of effort required to develop or maintain the software based on incomplete, uncertain, and noisy input. Estimation for software projects. The software project management begins with a set of activities that are collectively called project planning. Before the project can begin, the software team should estimate the work to be done, the resources that will be required, and the time that will required to start and finish the project. Once these activities are accomplished, the software team should establish a project schedule that defines the software engineering task and milestones, identifies who is responsible for conducting each task of the development, and specifies the inter-task dependencies that may have a strong bearing on progress. The general project estimation approaches are starts with the statement of the scope, then decompose the software into functions that can each be estimated individually, then calculate the size of each function and drive the effort and cost estimates by applying the size values to your baseline productivity matrices. Who does it? So in the estimation for software project, who does this work? The answer is the project manager, who is the overall in charge of the software project, works and take care of the estimation. So in the estimation for software project, the project manager, using the information solicited from the project stakeholders and the software matrix data collected from the past projects. Why is it important? Why this estimation is important for the software projects? Would you think that if you are going to construct a building or a house without knowing how much you are going to spend and what kind of task you need to perform and how much time is required? Of course not. Once most computer-based system and products cost considerably more to build than a large house, it would seem reasonable to develop an estimate before you start creating the software. So therefore, the estimation is very important in the software development. What are the steps required for the estimation of the software projects? Estimation begins with the description of the scope, as I said earlier. First, we should know the scope of the software, scope of the product, and then only we can start the estimation of the software project. And once you know the scope, you can decompose the software into functions that can be each be estimated individually. Therefore, we say that the problem is then decomposed into a set of smaller problems, and each of these estimated using historical data and experiences as guides. So individual estimations take place once you decompose your software. Next is the problem complexity and risk are considered before a final estimation is made. So you should calculate the size of each function, and then you can calculate all the problem complexity and the risk bearings in your project. Consider all those risk and complexities of the project before you make a final decision on the estimations. What is the work product? So what is the work product of your estimation for the software product? You will be getting a simple table delineating the task to be performed, the functions to be implemented, and the cost, effort, and time involved for each is generated. So this will be the work product of the estimation for software project. You will be getting a table where all the tasks which need to be performed and the functions to be implemented in the software or a project is mentioned, and also it will mention the cost, effort, and the time. How much time is needed for what kind of work, what kind of task, all is illustrated or all is described in the table. So that would be the work product. Okay, so how do I ensure that I have done it right? So in estimation, how we shall ensure that our estimation for the software product is done right or wrong? That's hard to say that we have done it right, because we won't really know until the project has been completed. So until the project gets complete, it's hard to say that we have done it right, but still we can say that if you have experience and follow a systematic approach and generate the estimates using a solid historical data and create estimation data points using least two different methods, so establish a realistic schedule and continual adapt it as the project moves forward, you can feel confident that you have given it your best shot, that you can ensure that you are done it right or you are justifying your project estimation. So we can't exactly say we have done it everything right, but however, if you have a past experience and follow all the systematic approaches, generate estimates with the solid historical data, so you can assure yourself that when you move forward in your project, you can feel confident that you have given your best shots in the estimation of the software projects. What are all the observations on the estimation? So observations on estimation determines how much money, effort, resources, and time it will take to build a specific system or a product. So observations on estimation. So estimation which determines that how much time it is taking, how much money, effort, and all other resources it will take to complete the software or the product. And these estimations is based on the past data and experiences. So in the estimation, so we have seen the past data and experiences. So based on that, you can estimate the project. And second is available documents and the knowledge. The third is the assumptions. And the fourth is the identified risks in your projects. So you can estimate based on these points. And also estimation need not be a one time task in a project. So it is not a one time task in your project, in your software development. It can take place during acquiring a project or planning the project or execution of the project as need arises. What happens sometimes when you acquire the projects, that time your estimation is different. When you plan out your project development, so that time your estimation may vary. And when the need arises, when users makes any changes in the projects, in the software development, again the estimation gets changes. So therefore we say that uh, estimations may change during acquiring a project or planning the project, or during the execution of the projects also. The estimation may get vary when the need arises. So these are the observations on estimations. Project scope. It must be understood before the estimation process begins. It will be helpful to have the historical project data and project matrix, which can be provided, which gives you the historical, prospective, and valuable input for generation of the quantitative estimation for the software projects. And planning, which requires the technical managers and the software team to make an initial commitment, as it leads to responsibility and accountability. The past experience can aid greatly. Plans should be iterative and allow the adjustment as time passes and more details are known. So when you prepare the estimations for the software project, the adjustment is required as the time passes, means the project development goes on, the more details are known. The four basic steps in software project estimations are: when you estimate the size of the development project and estimate the effort in person months or person hours, estimate the schedule in calendar months, means the total schedule required to develop your project or develop your software. Estimate the project cost in agreed currency. Agreed currency means in whichever the currency you agree to pay for the particular cost for the project. So estimate that cost of your project. So these are the four basic steps in the software project estimations. So you must understand the size of the project, you must know the how much resource you require, the person's months and person hours, means the total number of human resource required, and you must estimate the schedule. Schedule means the duration, or you can say the time required to develop the project or develop the software, and also the cost, the amount which you require to develop the software. So these are the four basic steps in software project estimation. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.